Hey guys, how you doing? We're back, and we're gonna give this gentleman $20, and he's gonna pick out. See. Here we go, guys. A whole bunch of different stuff.
Hey guys, we're back at home. We just went to the fruit stand, the vegetable stand, and look what all we got for $20. It is awesome. The guy was helpful. He gave us a variety of fruits and vegetables. We got the tangerines, eggplant, sweet potato, yucca, avocado, peppers, more oranges, clementines, lemons, and then we have tamarines here that we're gonna make into a nice drink, a nice tea, soup, juice, whatever we feel. We're gonna wash it, clean it, prep it for our food, and this is awesome. This is what you can get for $20 at any fruit stand. They're all over Puerto Rico. Let's get cleaning. Hey guys, this is one of the vegetables from our fruit stand, veggies. This is called malanga root. You can use it as a substitute for potatoes. We're gonna mash it up and we're gonna have a sweet mashed pureed malanga side. It's gonna be delicious. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you the whole process.
Hey guys, how you doing? Right here we're gonna show you how we're making this. A little bit of salt, a little bit of olive oil. It's very simple. Here it goes. Look at that. It's going in. Even before the water starts boiling, it's fine. Don't listen to a lot of people telling you different things. It's fine. We're going to cook this. We're going to get it nice and soft. And then I'm going to chop up some chive, some garlic. I'm going to mix it. I might even use a little bit of vanilla milk, but not regular milk. You understand what I mean. And this is an alternative to a nice mashed potato in a different way. Stay tuned. Coming soon. Subscribe. Check it out. We'll be back with the finished product. Hey guys, here we go. A little olive oil in the pan. I got some beefless tips. This is all vegan again. Real quick, look at that. That goes in there. I'm going to take some peppers, and I'm going to add some peppers here. I'm going to turn around and get some chive real quick, and I will add the chives directly on it. Some chives real quick, nothing funny. A little bit more olive oil. And I'm just going to put this in the pan, and from there I'm going to take it and put it in the oven. I'll be back to show you the finished product. On top of that, we have the mash, almost like a mashed potato, that you can see that's cooking. That's both sides. Talk to you soon. Putting it in the oven, and we'll be back. Hey guys, here's the finished product. And it's amazing. It looks a little better than it did in the pan, right? Like I said, it cooled down a little bit. You take this, you serve it as a mashed potato. You can also use this as a dessert with a little cinnamon, a little stevia or cane sugar, whatever you want, with a little syrup. Thank you very much. Subscribe. You saw the whole process. Hey guys, how you doing? We're about to pull this out. Here it is. Here's the finished product. The beefless beef tips. Amazing. Very good. Ready to eat. Enjoy it. Talk to you. Subscribe. We love you. Take care.